So, you've been diligently growing your acorns, right? You're probably thinking, hey, I've got some serious cash in there. How do I actually get it out? Well, if you're looking to convert that digital dough into cold, hard cash, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Acorns checks. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clear something up. Acorns doesn't actually issue physical checkbooks. You can't order one like you would with a traditional bank. But don't worry, that doesn't mean you're stuck without options. Acorns has a feature called Send Check. It's basically their digital version of writing a check. You can use it to send money to anyone in the U.S. Think of it as a modern twist on an old-school payment method. So, how does it work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You log into your Acorns account, go to the checking section, and then click on Send Check. From there, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's information. It's like filling out a digital check, without the paper. But here's the thing, there's a catch. To use the Send Check feature, you need to have had your Acorns checking account open for at least 30 days and have activated your debit card. It's like Acorns is saying, hey, we trust you now, let's get this check party started. Once you've met those requirements, you're good to go. Acorns will then generate a physical check and mail it to the recipient. It usually takes about 10 to 14 business days to arrive, so don't expect overnight delivery. If you're sending a check to Alaska or Hawaii, it might take a little longer. Now, let's talk about fees. Good news. Sending a check through Acorns is free. But if you need your check to arrive faster, you can pay for expedited shipping. One thing to keep in mind is that once you've initiated the send check process, you have a 5-minute cancellation window. After that, the check is on its way. So, double-check everything before you hit send. But wait, there's more. Acorns also has a feature called Early Payday which can help you access your paycheck up to 2 days early. This isn't directly related to checks, but it can help you manage your money better. While Acorns doesn't offer traditional checkbooks, the Send Check feature is a convenient way to send physical checks. It's not the fastest method, but it gets the job done. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.